Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Virtual Viewport and Zoom in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to use the Virtual Viewport and Zoom features with IronPDF in a C#.NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily do so via the NuGet package manager. So let's open your program.cs file and start by importing the IronPDF namespace and set the license key for IronPDF. Instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and set the rendering options to use the Chrome's default rendering for a straightforward PDF conversion. Render the Wikipedia main page URL to a PDF and save it as Chrome default.pdf. And this uses the default viewport and zoom settings of Chrome. For responsive CSS rendering, reinstantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and set the viewport width to 1280 pixels. Render the Wikipedia main page URL to a PDF and save it as responsive CSS.pdf. For scaled rendering, reinstantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and set the scale factor to 180 degrees. Render the Wikipedia main page URL to a PDF and save it as scaled.pdf. For fit-to-page rendering, reinstantiate the Chrome PDF renderer again and set the rendering options to fit the content to the page. Render the Wikipedia main page URL to a PDF and save it as fit-to-page.pdf. For continuous feed rendering, reinstantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and set the rendering options to use the continuous feed mode. Render the Wikipedia main page URL to a PDF and save it as continuousfeed.pdf. All right, so let's run the application to see the different PDFs generated using various viewports and zoom settings. Each PDF is tailored to different rendering requirements, so we're going to see how we pull it off. All right, so as you can see, the generated PDFs are rendered as per the viewport and zoom settings. Each PDF is pixel perfect. So by following these steps, you can effectively use virtual viewport and zoom features in your HTML to PDF conversions using IronPDF. You can explore more advanced functionalities of IronPDF for versatile document generation tasks. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with the IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Just click the link below in the description and try it for yourself.